I'm Tom. Welcome to PRO-TEC Advanced Welding Solutions. Today we're going to review the PRO-TEC 100S Stick TIG welding package. This package comes as a complete welding system, ready to weld out of the box. It's going to arrive in a heavy-duty cardboard box with styrofoam insulation inside, fully labeled with barcoding, part number, and description. The machine toolbox will come with a fully colored retail display package sleeve, trilingual, English, French, and Spanish, with descriptions of what is inside, all the options and accessories, and also icons to tell you the inputs and outputs and processes the machine will do. Okay, let's look at the contents of the package. You will receive an operator's manual with safety instructions, a 100 amp power source with a carrying strap that weighs 10 pounds, with a 120 volt, 20 amp input cable and plug, an adapter cable which will convert your 20 amp plug to a 15 amp plug, a ground clamp with a 10-foot lead, an electrode holder with a 10-foot lead, general purpose sample electrodes so you're welding stick electrode right out of the box. For TIG welding, you will receive a 12.5 foot 9V gas valve controlled TIG torch with an accessory package, argon gas regulator, all contained in a heavy-duty carry case. This concludes PRO-TEC out of the box. Please proceed to our next video for setup and operation of this great welding system. For more information and where to buy this great product, please see our website at www.protecwelding.com. Thanks, and see you next time.